Wow, what a whirlwind of Apple news today. Let's break down all the action packed into Apple's roller coaster ride on the tech scene. First off, the options world was buzzing with whispers of Apple's future. Some deep-pocketed investors have gone bearish on Apple, indicating they might foresee stormy weather ahead. Benzinga's options scanner caught a flurry of activity. 281 extraordinary trades featuring 128 puts and 153 calls, showcasing a sentiment shift amongst investors. In classic Wall Street flair, a price target prediction is scattered like New York confetti, ranging pragmatically between $110 and a high-flying $250 based on expert analyses, reflecting diverse market sentiment. Next on the agenda, the tariff turmoil. As tensions rise between the U.S. and China, there's growing concern about a steep cost increase for iPhones. A BofA analyst highlighted how manufacturing in the U.S. could lead to a price surge of up to 90%, prompting Apple to explore alternatives like ramping up production in India. Amidst this geopolitical chess game, automation might become Apple's knight in digital armor, potentially suppressing labor costs. Speculators are feeling the heat, with Apple's stock taking a plunge recently, driven by these tariffs coupled with brooding whispers of Chinese trade tensions. Meanwhile, the race against time kicked into high gear when Apple reportedly shot 5 flights filled with iPhones and other products to the US, swerving past Trump's new 104% tariffs on Chinese imports like a wily sidewinder. By flying in products from both India and China, Apple fortified its US inventory at pre-tariff prices. Ingenious and necessary, given the stock had a 23% nosedive since these tensions ramped up at the start of April. On the comparison side of the spectrum, some savvy tech number crunching places Apple alongside its industry peers. Analysts hone in on Apple's PE, PB, and PS ratios, meanwhile lauding its lucrative profitability and edge in operations. Nevertheless, the firm lags behind in the revenue growth contest amongst its industry teammates, highlighting untapped arenas or new avenues for expansion. Yet Apple's superiority shines strong with unbeatable profits, despite the rising fears over its slower revenue growth. As if keeping silent would suffice, this trading behemoth couldn't escape speculation on shifts moving it beyond traditional industry limits, from sought-after innovative gadgets to new immersive product genres. Just like that, Apple's news rundown swirled from terse options talk to interesting strategic plays, reminding us why it's all action-packed drama, tension, and splash within the tech sphere, all while investors watch with bated breath. Grab your popcorn, folks, because the Applethon is far from over. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.